Lovelies, you're welcome back to my YouTube channel. For today's video, I'll be making jollof rice, and this is a very simple one. It's not complex. All you need to do is watch till the end to see how I was able to make this. Don't forget to subscribe to see more of my videos. In my pot, I'll go in with some water. You can either use hot or cold, but I use cold here. And then I'll go in with my rice. I'm going to cook this till it is half done, not fully cooked, just half done, which is also called parboiled. So once this is done, I'll take it off the gas and I'll drain out the water. In my pot, I'll go in with some vegetable oil. I'll just let this heat before I add my onion. So I'm adding the onion here. I'll also let the onion heat before I add the next ingredient. The next thing I'll be adding is my tomato paste. I'm going to fry my tomato paste for some minutes because I don't want it to have a sour taste. So I'll just make sure I fry this till it looks as if it's getting burnt. So I'll keep on mixing it till I've gotten that texture I need. Then I'll proceed to adding my spice and also my seasonings. And here I'm adding my thyme. Next, I'll be adding my curry powder. And then I'll also be adding my rosemary spice. Please, if you have more spice to add, you can add to your taste, but I'll just be using this for this jollof rice. Our tomato paste is still getting fried, so I'll still continue mixing it till I've gotten what I need. Also, I'll be adding Mivina chicken spice. It's totally optional. I had just added it for my taste, so you can skip that if you don't like it. And this is what we're having here. I had to check it before I proceed to adding my fresh tomato. So for my fresh tomato, before adding it here, I blended the fresh tomato and I steamed it on fire to let out the water boil. Like, I had to steam it to make sure the water that comes with the tomato goes off before I added it here, because if I add my blended tomato here without steaming it or cooking it separate, I'll either get a sour taste from this tomato base. So I had to blend and also cook my tomato before adding it here. I did not record that part, but that was just what I did here. And next I'll be adding my seasoning, and then I'll go in with my salt. You can always adjust yours later. Maybe the one you added in your jollof base is not enough. When you add your rice, do well to test it if you need to adjust anything. And I went in with my chicken stock, so I just used this to steam my chicken. So I just use the water now to give it a better taste. This is what our jollof base is looking like. I'll be adding some water to this so that everything will cook well before I add my rice to this very pot. After like 5 minutes, this is what we're having here. And now I'll go in with my rice, the rice that I parboiled and washed. I'll go in with the rice before mixing it. So there are some persons that would not parboil their rice before adding it to their jollof base. That is totally optional, but why I don't do that for my jollof rice? I want it to be well cooked. If I just go ahead and soak my rice with hot water before doing this, I might end up getting my pot extremely burnt before my rice is cooked. And if I don't want my pot to get burnt, I'll end up having rice that is not well cooked. So anyone that works for you, you can do it. But for this one, I had to cook the rice like we saw in the video before putting it here. I did not soak it in hot water. I added more water to this so that my rice will cook well. Please, if you have any question, you can do well to leave it in the comment section. If there's anything you don't understand, ask me in the comment section. You can also let me know if there's anything you would have done differently in those jollof rice I made. Is there anything you think you'd have done this way, or you'd have not done this thing my way? Just let me know in the comment section. Don't forget to like this video if you're still watching. So this is what we're having here after 30 to 40 minutes. I'll go in with my vegetables. I use carrots and green peas, and also slice some onion to this. You can skip the onion if you're not a lover of onion, or if you don't love seeing onion in your food. And our jollof rice is ready. You can serve this with your beef, with your chicken, whatsoever you have to serve it with. Let me know what you think about this video. Will you also be giving it a try? Don't forget to like this video and also subscribe to see more of my videos. Thank you for watching. I will see you in my next video.